Are you okay?
That hurt.
Oh, I'm gonna syrup in my mouth. You alright, buddy?
Yeah, my wrist and everything.
You think,
I'm good.
Oh my god, are you okay? You sure got annihilated. Are you sure you don't want a beer?
Alright, what are you doing?
We're making a P-rail for Mr. George here.
Yep.
Wait, so what is your specifications here? What do you want in a rail?
I want something that's not too high, so I can feel comfortable and safe while I'm skating and learning more and more. I don't know. I know he knows what's up with skating and his welds and stuff. So kind of leaving it up to him. I just kind of wanted to get an idea of the height that I wanted.
Cool. And then how long is this rail?
15.
So this is a 15-foot rail.
Yeah. I feel 10 feet is a little too short. As soon as you jump on, you kind of. With 15, you could jump on and lock on.
You could do two tricks on this and it'll look good.
It's gonna be really fun.
And then what's like the science here? You're gonna put one base there?
Yeah, so we're gonna come down actually about 20 inches, and then put a pole here with a flat bar for its feet. So when you jump, you don't have to feel like you're gapping into it. You just land pretty much right on it. You have stability there. Put another one down the middle. This one's gonna be cool. I have an idea because not everything is leveled, you know, when you go to put it anywhere. So I'm gonna make the center bar adjustable.
Oh yeah, dope.
So I'm gonna use this. Pretty much gonna weld this here, and then I'm gonna weld a nut on another tube, so you could just spin it.
Oh.
And then you'll have a lock nut to lock it in place.
See, that's why I trust you.
Yeah. Dude, that's sick.
It's gonna be really cool.
No, it is true because like driveways
and it's 15 feet, dude.
Yeah.
So it's not.
You're gonna need that center to level out. Yeah, it's cool.
And then I don't know, at the end we're gonna go with 10 inches. What is it?
Yeah, 10
or 12 to the top of the rail.
Did we do 12?
Yeah. I think 14 is a little.
So it's gonna be a foot top of the rail.
Yeah.
Enough space for you to try to spin off of it and not feel like you're too close to the floor. It's gonna be good.
Yes.
So that's 12 inches at the top.
So that's pretty.
How does that look to you? Does it look too mellow?
It looks mellow.
It looks pretty mellow.
It's like a flat bar.
So if you go down like 2 in the front.
Yeah.
That's 10 inches.
That's what originally, remember how I said like 10?
Yeah. I like that better. You got some angle to it.
There you go. Yeah.
And then if we went back to where you had it there and went higher here, it'd be too high here.
Yeah.
It'll start getting kind of scary. I mean, I'm still going to be scared when I do
I
start.
mean, I could drop it to 20 here and to 9 over there.
No, I like that.
I like the height.
Yeah, because so what I'm thinking is the way I skate it, the bar's going to be here. I'm going to be jumping like right when I'm like level.
Yeah.
So by the time I land, I'm going to be like right over it.
Yeah.
So I'm going to be hitting it here. And I don't want the feeling of like having to jump at the very beginning, you know? So like realistically, I'm not jumping right here. I'm going to jump like...
Yeah.
Right
You're gonna land like right here.
Yeah, like right around that area. I think I like that where it's at now. Because now it feels like it's going down more.
I'm gonna build the standing supports or vertical supports.
Yeah.
So I'm about to cut it and notch it. So this notches your tubes, so they're made it up well to weld them. So together, you notch it, and you weld it.
Oh, like that.
Yeah, I just sand it down a little bit. Yeah, look how solid that is.
Yeah.
This is the feet.
Holding your pipe.
Yeah, I'll probably cover it. 1 inch. That's down there.
Why do you prefer this to go slow?
Not basically to go slow. It's just the type of cutting. So like compared to a chop saw, it's very abrasive, and it heats the metal. With this bandsaw, it gives a nice clean cut. It's not heating it up, and it's a cleaner mess than the chop saw, and it's not loud. And you might think it's loud, but it's not that loud. Yeah.
And then does it help it weld too? Like
it's a better weld because it's not heating up the metal as it cuts it, so it's still soft in a way. So. Because
when it heats up, it gets soft, and then it.
Well, when it heats up, it gets hard. It hardens.
Oh, and you want it to stay soft.
Yeah, because it's pretty much heat treating it, so like the weld won't be that great. So it's best to weld it the way it is.
Okay.
Yeah.
Huh.
I don't know
keeps the material raw.
Yeah. Just from what I was told, you don't want it to be too hot, especially when you sand it down with the angle grinder. All that heat. So. Once it gets low enough, bro, hit the switch on it. Perfect. Cool. Because like if you try to roll over this, you're gonna trip for sure.
You're gonna smooth it out.
Yeah. Then I'm gonna weld this here, and then there's gonna be another tube here with the nut. So you can adjust it by spinning this, and there'll be another nut down here to lock it, so it won't spin on you. Should be cool.
Wow, smart one.
That's one thing that's tricky about these, like, they can't be perfect, And that's how roll cages are bed out of too, triangles. So, unless you have a noob. Yeah. And I'm going to put gussets too, so it's going to strengthen it. Keep all the weight on the bottom.
Big gun.
Not the force.
I am your father.
You gotta know it. Yeah. Push it.
So I made this adjustment here because it's so long and not everything's like completely flat and leveled. So wherever he skates, he's gonna just set it down and adjust it from here because there might be a bump or something, and you have the right support. I won't be moving around because they'll teeter on this section and they'll start moving around. So yeah.
What are those for?
They're the gussets. So I'm gonna put them at the base of the plates and just pretty much tie everything in better, have more support. Never. So like, I just want you to jump that, like jump on it. Hold on, stop.
Ready?
Hold on. So you're just gonna jump on it, alright? Ready? Go. Alright, hold on.
Did I even do anything?
Alright,
A little bit more?
a little bit more. Alright, hold on. Like, stomp on it.
A little more?
Yeah, I don't think we're doing anything to it. Like, it owes you money, Obi. Oh, hold on. You're gonna jump on it.
I feel like I'm getting more force on there. You ready?
Yeah. Again?
Who's your...
Damn.
thing?
How do I preload that?
Should, do you have weights?
No.
Maybe it needs, like,
I
heavier.
mean,
Did it do anything? Nothing, huh?
Alright, that should be doing something. So let me tack these on.
Dude, that was text. Are you okay?
That hurt.
Oh, I almost threw up in my mouth. You alright, buddy?
Yeah, my wrist and everything.
You think,
I'm good.
Oh my god, are you okay? You sure got annihilated. Are you sure you don't want a beer? Are you sure you don't want a beer?
That's my wrist hurt.
Oh my gosh. Oh. It kicked you off, huh?
I would have had it.
How can I get that revert?
What? Like a nice speed. Hey. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. I'm working on you. Yeesh! See that little kink?
Yeesh! Alright, let me get some initial impressions here.
Perfect height. Slides perfect. Super stable. It's a plus.
You happy?
Good. Happy with it. Good practice rail. Small enough I can carry it over here by myself if I really wanted to, you know?
Okay.
It's good.
Everything you expected?
Yeah. More. Super stable. It's not moving at all.
Yeah.
At all.
I know, this fool is driving right now.
You're pulling a trailer.
I drive trailers all day. This fool. You got all the way up there. Oh, look at what's this? You got another rail right here. Boxes,